Hey friends, I'm Shelly Shoosh. Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new around here, I make videos on motherhood, lifestyle, and homemaking. So you will see things on my channel that have to do with decorating on a budget, as well as hauls and lists of my favorite products for my daughter who is 2 years old and for the rest of my family. So today is always one of my favorite videos to make, and it is the Jilly Box Spring 2021 unboxing. If you guys know anything about me, you know that I love everything Jillian Harris, and I was one of 5,000 very lucky people to get a subscription for this box. It is quite expensive. It costs over $200 every 3 months, but I could not live without it. So first, let's start with how beautiful the spring box is. Actually, before I get started, I should just show you guys. Look who made it into the Jilly Box flyer. That's me. That's me with, oh, it's not focusing. Hang on just a second. There I am in the Jilly Box magazine, and that's me with the winter box. When they messaged me to ask if they could use my photo, I literally died because that's like a dream come true to me. Anyways, let's get into what's in the box. This box was valued at over $450, which is fabulous. I'm gonna take you guys through the box. I'll let you know how much everything is valued at and give you a little peek of everything. The first thing that's in here is valued at $125 Canadian, and it's the Brush Oral Care Ink Brush Electronic Toothbrush Kit. This is a big ticket item, and ever since I got this Jilly Box, I have been seeing ads on Instagram like nonstop. The packaging is really nice. It's blush, and then the brush is written in like a rose gold foil, which is so cool. And you can tell that this is like a super quality toothbrush. It'll focus there for you. So it has 6 different settings on it. Daily, white, gentle, gum, max, and tongue, which is super cool. And the kit comes with the electronic toothbrush, 3 brush heads, so that's gonna be almost a year's worth of toothbrushes, and a charger and a travel case. So let me just open the rest up so I can show you guys. I didn't even open all of these things. I just took a peek to see what was in it, and then I just closed it until the unboxing. So here's the little travel case. Super sleek. Nice white. Oh, it's got a travel head in there, so I guess you can just keep that in there. I love a toothbrush that has a charger. Like, this base is like so easy. It's magnetic, I can feel it. And the pretty pink color, I'm sure, is gonna go with a lot of people's decor. It doesn't exactly match my bathroom, but I'll make it work. And this is my favorite color anyway. So when I watched Jillian's unboxing of the Jilly Box, she said that the spring box is usually catered towards like wellness and self-care. So I'm going to show you the next 3 products, which are all self-care products. The first one is this Aura Inner Beauty Ink Radiance by Jillian Harris. It's in a pomegranate flavor, and it's a dietary supplement with antibiotics and probiotics. So again, pretty pink packaging. So it says to mix a tablespoon with 250 milliliters of cold water. I guess you can use this daily. Probiotics, prebiotics, all the things in here. This is valued at $45. Oh my goodness, $45 for probiotics in a package. Wow. Next up is Herbaland Vegan Collagen Booster, and these are beauty gummies in the watermelon flavor. Again, I haven't opened up any of this stuff, but I have seen other people's unboxings, and they say that these taste like amazing. So this is valued at $9.50, and it's 30 gummies, so it's a month's worth. Then we have JB Skin Guru Ink, and these are 3 sheet masks. I'm not a huge sheet mask person, but if I go to like a cottage with a bunch of my friends, I'll bring this and then we'll just use them. This is worth $75 for 3 masks, so $25 a mask. And the skin benefits are to nourish your skin and strengthen its barrier, improve skin texture, hydrates, soothes redness and irritation, dry skin, all that good stuff. Cruelty-free, gluten-free, vegan, biodegradable. Jillian always tries to put products in her Jilly Box that are very eco-conscious. So this is a good find. I will probably use these, but like I said, with my friends. So next up is this Urban Walls by Jillian Harris decal. Do you guys say decal or decal? I hear both, but I've always said decal. Let me know in the comments down below which one you say. Anyway, so this is a Hello Beautiful decal, and I'm actually gonna put this on like the corner of my mirror in my bathroom. And this is valued at $15, and it's in a warm gray serif font, which I really, really love. It's gonna go perfect in my bathroom. Let's see if I can find, here's the picture of what it will actually look like. There you go. There's a picture of what it'll actually look like when it is on the mirror. I think that's a really cute thing to have in the box. In my bathroom, I have tons of like punny little like sayings and fixtures in there. I can actually link the video for my bathroom refresh so you guys can see. This will actually fit in absolutely perfect with all the other funny things that I have in there. So that was a really good find for me. The last two items. So the first one I'm gonna show you, I'm probably not going to use because it does not match my bathroom, but maybe if I move one day it will. I'm not gonna get rid of it because I really do love it. So it is the Indaba White Heart Bath Mat, and it's valued at $48. And here, I'll open it up for you guys. I can tell that it's like super nice quality, and it is so on Jillian's brand. Oh, it's got all the fuzzies. Oh my goodness, all the time with the fuzzies. Super cute. It's like a beige color with a white heart in the center of it. The only reason I won't use it is because my bathroom is more of like cool tones, like gray and blue. And so I don't think it'll match. I'll try it out, but I don't think it'll match. But I will keep it because I love it. And one day I will make a bathroom that I can use this in. And then the very last thing. So this was the first time that Jillian put a this or that option in the Jilly Box. So it's a robe or a nightie from Riot Theory Apparel. I should also mention that most of these companies are Canadian owned. I believe all of them are Canadian owned, but most of them are also women owned and operated. I chose the nightie, I believe. And yeah, super good quality. I really like it. Maybe I'll try it on for you guys and give you a little spin. It's in a nice cool blue color, and it's got white polka dots. Perfect quality. It's going to be nice for like the springtime. So if you got the robe was valued at $130 Canadian. I got the nightie, which was valued at $120 Canadian. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Like I said, I love doing subscription box unboxing videos because I love to show you guys all the new like ragey products out there. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are new around here. You can follow me over on Instagram at mrs.shelly.shoosh, and I will catch up with you guys soon in a new video. Bye!